Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I wash my protective crochet braid. So this is the hair right here. So first thing I'm going to be doing is to detangle the hair. So I'm starting by making a section. So right now I'm going in with my hairbrush to brush the hair. So I start from the tip, next I work my way towards the root. So I twist the hair all the way to the tip. So to secure it in place, I'm going in with a rubber band and I'm going to be wrapping that around the tip of the hair. So this will keep the twist in place when it's time for me to wash the hair. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and work on the last piece right here, doing the same thing. I started by detangling the hair, starting from the tip. Next, I work my way towards the roots. Okay, so now that I'm done detangling the hair, the next step now is to twist the hair. So doing the same thing, once I get to the tip of the hair, I'm going to be wrapping the rubber band around it to secure the twist in place. So here is the first step. Okay, so next I went into my shower, wet my hair, the scalp. I wet the scalp, the hair, and everything. So after that, I applied shampoo on the hair. So I'm focusing on my scalp. I'm not focusing on the main crochet braid. I just want to get my scalp clean. As you can see right here, I'm going into each section of the crochet braid, and I'm going in to scrub my scalp to get rid of any buildup. So my main focus is to get my scalp clean first before working on the crochet hair. So I'm just focusing on my scalp, my hairline to make sure to get rid of every buildup or product that might be in the hair. So now that I'm done, I apply a little bit more shampoo to my palm and I apply that on the crochet hair and work that into the hair. So once I was done scrubbing the hair, I went into my shower and rinsed out the shampoo. I didn't apply any conditioner, so I only use shampoo. My hair takes a lot of conditioner and I don't want to waste it on the crochet hair, so that's why I didn't apply conditioner on my hair. So now that I've rinsed out the shampoo, I'm going in to squeeze out some of the excess water out of the hair using my towel. Okay, so I'm done with that part. The next step now is to lay the hair air dry. So I lay the hair air dry completely. So this is the next phase. So it's time to take down the twist. So right now I'm just going in to unravel the twist. So to give the hair a little bit of shine, I'm going to be applying a tiny bit of Vaseline. So I just applied that on the hair, worked it in a little bit. So the next step, I'm going to be going back in with the hairbrush to brush the hair through. So I'm going ahead to do the same thing on this one right here. I started by unraveling the twist. So right now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Vaseline and I'm going to be applying that on the hair before going in to brush the hair. I just work in the Vaseline a little bit. I didn't use too much. So again, I'm going in with my hairbrush, starting from the tip, and then I work my way towards the root of the hair, and the comb just goes through the hair. That's how soft it is. It just like that. So next, I'm going in to apply oil on my scalp. Again, working that oil into my scalp and also my hairline. All done and clean. All right guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Okay, please hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that way whenever I post a new video you will get notified. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.